We will briefly look at irregular verbs under the future subjunctive. All verbs under the future subjunctive use the same stem that they have in the imperfect subjunctive. So this lesson is just going to be a brief recap of the irregular imperfect subjunctive stems, because they are identical to the future subjunctive stems. The imperfect and future subjunctive stems for verbs with an E to I preterite stem change. And for those verbs with an O to U preterite stem change. The imperfect and future subjunctive stems for verbs with a J preterite stem change. The imperfect and future subjunctive stems for verbs with preterite UV stem changes, preterite U stem changes, and preterite I stem changes. Imperfect and future subjunctive stems for verbs with a preterite Y spell change. Imperfect and future subjunctive stems for verbs ending in llir and llir. And the imperfect and future subjunctive stems for truly irregular verbs. And that covers all the types of irregularities you will find for the stems of the imperfect subjunctive and future subjunctive. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.